Hey, welcome back to 2-Minute How-To. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to boil water. First thing you're going to need is some water. Today we're doing about 2 cups worth. You're also going to need a pot and you're going to need a heat source. So today I'm using my stove as the heat source. Let's get to the video. The first thing you're going to want to do is take the water and pour it in the pot. I'm using about 2 cups, but that's not really significant. You can boil however much water you need. If you need a certain amount, say a cup worth, and that's an exact for a recipe, you're always going to want to put a little bit more in because you are going to lose some through steam and whatnot. So the next thing you're going to want to do is light the flame. There we go. And I'm just going to leave this on high until it boils. And there you have it. Perfectly boiled water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll catch you on the next video.